Hi, I'm George Stonebrook for Expert Village, and here talking to you today about preventing theft of your vintage car. Another way to prevent your car from being stolen is to make sure it doesn't have any way for the car to start, which is with gasoline, to eliminate the possibility of putting gas into the car. One way to do that is to replace the gas cap with a locking gas cap, which will keep the gasoline from being introduced if you leave your car low on gas, or perhaps to keep a vintage car from having the gasoline siphoned out of its tank. So it works both ways. Especially with the cost of fuel these days, the last thing you want to do is have someone take your investment out by taking your investment out. In this car, the gas cap is hidden behind the license plate. Not a very easy place to find it. But if you were to take the gas cap off and replace it with a gas cap that has a key for it, thereby eliminating the possibility of any extra gasoline being introduced or extracted from your gas tank. We find it very difficult to keep gasoline in our cars as it is, but if we eliminate the possibility that someone could use their own abilities to get gasoline into the car, that just shuts one more door in the face of a potential vintage car thief.